Hello, ladies and gents. Let's just pretend I found a personal trainer I want to call, and I'm calling him now. Let's have a go.
Yo, what's up, brother?
Yo, what's up, man?
Not much, you. What are your goals in business or fitness?
I just want to get ripped.
Gotcha, you're saying you want to get shredded and build some serious muscle? What's your current workout routine like?
Yeah, good question. I actually, to get bigger, I wrestle with my grandma.
Haha, that's funny. Wrestling with grandma can be quite the workout. But anyways, if you're serious about getting ripped, you gotta focus on resistance training and a solid nutrition plan. Are you hitting the weights or doing body weight exercises?
Yeah, I don't know about nutrition. The grandma, she gives me lots of grass, and for the weights, I just lift like 2 kilo dumbbells.
Haha, that's hilarious, man. Grandma's grass diet and 2 kilo dumbbells, huh? I guess it's a start, but you might want to consider hitting the gym for heavier weights and a proper meal plan. How about we book you an appointment at getripped.com? They can set you up with a solid workout and nutrition plan.
Yeah, that sounds pretty good. How do I get to that website?
One moment. Go to getripped.com, brother. They've got everything you need to reach your fitness goals. Let me know if you need anything else. Keep hustling.
You hustle too, bro. Thank you. See ya. Yeah, so what do you guys think? That was our second, I think, phone call with an AI. I did prompt him to act like a personal trainer slash gym bro, and he did a pretty good job at that, I think. And he did actually send us to a book an appointment with him, which is quite cool. And I am scared at how good it is at responding to us. I actually can't wait to play around a little bit more with VAPI, as that's what I use to build this. I've been enjoying playing around with the voices a lot. There's a bit more to my prompt, but you guys can see here that he actually is meant to suggest a booking to go to getripped.com. That's what he did. And then after that, he's meant to use the function called transcript. This is very important. This is what it's going to call our make scenario in a second. And from there, it should give us a summary of it. And I've just given it some like example conversations. This is why I was responding in that way. I did say, note, use the function called transcript. And you don't even have to do any coding for this. This is beautiful because when you jump into the functions tab just here, when you say add new function, you get these options. And all I said was transcript, get the transcript of the call, and then you add properties. And in the properties, you got to type stuff again. I just repeated that. And then you go set up to make, send sample payload to URL server. So you copy this from the make scenario, and I'll show you how to install VAPI on make as well in a sec. And you test the endpoint once you've installed it. So we'll get there in a bit. And this is how we get our transcript from our call into Airtable when I show you guys that too. So to actually install VAPI in Make, what you need to do is when you jump into the functions, so you go set up Make, and it actually tells you to go to install VAPI into your Make account using this link. You go to this link, install VAPI, and you get a bunch of these things here. So you get 2 triggers and 2 actions. You click install. I've reinstalled it, so I'm not going to click on this because I've already done that. But once you guys install it, when you go back into your make scenario, so when you make a new module, you will get the option to have VAPI. Now notice that when I click on here, I only have the option to create outbound phone call or function call response. So there's lots of ways to do this, right? I'm just showing you like one way to get the transcript. Most likely the way would be to use one of the API references here. I'm guessing this might give us the transcript. Yeah, so get call actually gives us a transcript of the video. I'm just showing you guys like a completely no code way to do it. So to actually get what I'm having here, what you would need to do is have this be the first block. Now we get the function call listener. So when we call the function within VAPI, this happens. The enter call report listener. I haven't got the chance to make this work yet. I'm going to be creating more videos on this stuff. Just to show you how it works is essentially the output from this looks like this. So this is our function call, and this is the actual transcript. And we need to turn this bundle into a JSON, which I think I did in this one here. Yeah. So function call, this is the thing that we want to turn into JSON. That's this, and then you grab the JSON string from that. And then this is then what we put into our this here, the output from the node number 9. So at the moment it actually gave me the actual transcript. It did pick up that I do want to wrestle with grandma wheatgrass. It looks like it stopped getting the summary after I asked about the website. That's interesting. Anyway, I'm happy I got this far today. I just started with VAPI yesterday really, so thanks for watching, ladies and gents. Just wanted to show you my progress with VAPI or VAPI. I've been really enjoying the platform, and if you do want to collaborate or you are a business owner looking to make a system like this, so the link below leads you straight to my calendar link. Anyway, signing out. Thank you.